Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Asana for UX tasks, beginner guides. To log into Asana, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.asana.com and press enter. Once the Asana homepage loads, look for the login button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your email address associated with your Asana account in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your email and password, click the Login button. After a moment, you will be taken to your Asana dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can access your UX tasks. Explore the sidebar to find projects related to UX. Click on the project to view the tasks within it. Use the search bar at the top if you need to find something specific. Now you are ready to manage your UX tasks in Asana. Happy organizing! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and after signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.